how can you be sure that the Lord will answer your prayer? I mean, there's billions of people on this planet, right? Psalm 4 verse 3 reads, "May we never forget that the Lord works wonders for every one of his devoted lovers. And this is how I know that he will answer my every prayer." The Lord is faithful to answer our prayers even before we pray them. He has an answer for them. And he's not a father who withholds good things from his children. In fact, he's quite the opposite. He's a father who shows us love in dimensions that we've never known, because he is love in every dimension that we've known and that we haven't known yet. And so find confidence in that the Lord will hear you and he will answer you, and not just answer you with some mundane, boring, response, but it says that he works wonders for every one of his devoted lovers.